You know that saying, if you want something done, ask a busy person? Ever wonder why that works? Busy people have a system, and when it comes to managing multiple tasks effectively, you need one too. I'm Victoria from monday.com, and welcome to our guide on mastering task management. Today we're going to walk through the essentials, different strategies to get organized, and how to make it all easier using Monday Work Management. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is task management? It's more than just keeping track of your to-do list. It's an organized approach to managing tasks from start to finish. That includes planning, setting priorities, tracking progress, and most importantly, adjusting as things change. Whether you're managing personal tasks or team projects, good task management helps you stay focused, productive, and ready for what's next. Think of task management as your game plan for getting things done efficiently. It's not just about crossing the finish line, it's getting there in the smartest way possible. How exactly do you do this? Let's talk strategy. Set clear task management goals and objectives. Each task is part of a big picture, so it must align with your larger goals and objectives. That means defining what you need each task to accomplish, perhaps completing a report, achieving a team milestone. When your tasks have a clear purpose, it's much easier to stay focused and measure success. Know how to prioritize and sequence your tasks. Tasks differ from a to-do list because you shouldn't tackle them randomly. Some tasks will be high priority, while others will be entirely dependent on you completing something else first. So organize your tasks in a logical sequence so that each step naturally leads to the next. Use online task management tools. In our opinion, the best way to manage tasks is online. A digital platform offers simple and intuitive task management within a wider project management framework. So you can access and update task lists anytime, anywhere. You can sync task lists and assignments with your colleagues so the whole team is up to date. Then you can actually collaborate and share with team members and avoid duplication of work. You can set smart notifications. And online task management allows you to visualize the status and dependencies of projects across the team. We're going to talk more about this shortly. Next up, break down complex tasks. Large tasks can be overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps makes them easier to tackle. It sounds obvious, but we don't often do this because it feels redundant to document small things. But this approach allows you to monitor progress on each task and make it easier to spot potential bottlenecks before they affect the larger project. You should also automate any routine tasks. Automation can ease the pressure. Platforms like Monday Work Management enable you to set up workflows using triggers, conditions, and actions. An example. When a task is marked in progress, the trigger, and hasn't been updated for 5 days, the condition, the platform automatically sends a reminder to the task owner, the action. Your follow-ups happen without any manual intervention, enabling your team to focus on more important work. Now let's take an even closer look at why Monday Work Management stands out as a task management solution. Built on the monday.com workOS, it's designed to help teams achieve their goals faster and more efficiently. Here's what makes it special. You can create and assign tasks instantly. You can connect with the tools you already use. You can use visual status updates with our color coding system, and you can choose more than 27 different ways to view your tasks. You can track time spent on billable work, and you can get started quickly with customizable templates if you're not sure where to begin. You can collaborate seamlessly with your team and your wider organization. And here's something really exciting. Our AI assistant can even generate project tasks automatically. So why does task management really matter? Without a solid system, it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. Managing tasks effectively ensures accountability. When everyone knows their role and the tasks expected of them, it empowers them to take ownership of their work and stay committed to their responsibilities. It also reduces cognitive load. Placing tasks in a well-defined system keeps everything organized, so your team members can spend less time tracking things and enjoy more mental space for strategic thinking and problem solving. It also encourages continuous improvement. Tracking task progress allows teams to reflect on what works well and what could be improved. Instead of repeating mistakes, you can make data-driven adjustments to improve productivity and streamline those workflows. And it supports effective delegation. You avoid missed deadlines, you reduce stress, and you can improve both productivity and teamwork. Simply put, organized tasks make for smoother workflow, clearer communication, and ultimately better results. Well, that's a wrap on this quick guide to task management. Click the link below to read the full article. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on work management and productivity. Bye for now.